Alright guys, we're here again doing the camera test. This time I've got my Samsung Note 8, my daily driver device in this test. We're going to see how it performs with the other devices like the Huawei P20 Pro, the OnePlus 6 and the Galaxy S9 Plus. So let's go through the garage here. Little boy, you wanna come? In the back here, just in the alley. Alright, so let's check out how these devices perform in low light. Come. So I'm here in the garage, complete darkness. As you can see, we've got the P20 Pro. I could somewhat see myself. The OnePlus 6, I could see myself, but very pixely. S9 Plus and the Note 8, you could barely see myself there. So let's open the garage. And there we are. Look at that, guys. So we are shooting at 1080p, front-facing camera. And we're gonna take this for a little walk and see how the stabilization is. Beauty mode on the front-facing camera. All devices are completely turned off. So let's go for a little walk and see how these devices perform when it comes to stabilization. So I am using a selfie stick here, guys. It's like a crane to extend the device all the way out, because if I use my hand, I won't be able to frame myself. So it is quite heavy setup right now. I'm just moving it left and right here. So we'll pick up the pace and see how the stabilization is. Alright, now we'll do a little quick run. Okay, that is tiring, guys. Tiring. Little boy, do you have anything else to say?
Nope.
Huh? Nothing to say? So look at the clouds in the back, guys. See which one is blown out. I could see the Note 8 is somewhat blown out. Get in the middle. The Note 8 is somewhat blown out, the clouds, and the P20 Pro as well. But I don't know how it will look once I upload this on YouTube. We'll just find out. So let's flip it back to the back camera and see how the back camera performs. So we're gonna be shooting in 4K 30 frames per second. Alright, so I've switched back to the back camera. We are shooting in 4K 30 frames per second. So the stabilization, the EIS on the devices will be automatically turned off. It can be pretty much relying on the OIS to make the footage more stabilized. So let's see how they perform as I follow this little boy as he walks gradually, and then later on he's gonna run. So go ahead, walk slow first. Yeah, you can pick it up a bit. And then turn around this way, the other way, and then you could run. Okay, so check out the stabilization, guys. Keep going faster. Okay, so that's it. Okay, let's go the other way. Hold on, let's check out some plants here. See how the greens looks like. Look at that. And then there's the fence right there. You got a big tree in the background there. Let's see what kind of focus. Let's check out this thing here. You're going back now? Stay here, Sean, Anthony. Okay, so let's check out the focus. How fast they could focus this little branch here as I move it from left to right. Okay, it looks like there's a car coming. Be careful. Okay. So Anthony, go over here on the right. Stay on the right. Okay, so there goes the car. Let's try to zoom times 2, times 2, times 2. This one's times 2. And it looks like the P20 Pro, I don't know, it doesn't have times 2. I have to manually zoom it. As you can notice, it goes all the way to times 10, which is ridiculous, guys. Oh, hold on. Same as the OnePlus 6. I am doing it manually focused right now. I could go manually zooming, I mean. It could go up to 8 times. Oh, same as all the Galaxy. The Galaxy is times 10, and same as the Note 8 times 10. Try to stay in the middle so I can focus on you. Just hold on. I'm gonna move back a bit so I could get you in frame. So as you can see, the stabilization as well, you could check. But it looks like I can't get him in frame, guys. So I'm just gonna pull it back. Pull it back to its normal viewing angle. And there you go. So let's do some more focusing tests here. This is the garbage bin right here. I'm gonna hide behind it. And then we're gonna look up. Okay. Okay. So now let's do a quick selfie stick shot or selfie shot here, vlogging style. I hope I can get myself in frame. I'll extend the selfie stick, the DJI Osmo Mobile selfie stick. Check if I'm in frame, Anthony. Check if I'm in frame. Check in the back, on the other side. So as you can see, this is what it looks like. I don't know if you guys could see me holding the selfie stick. It is no, you can't see me?
I can't
it is
see
huge, guys. It is huge. Okay. So I'm running. I'm gonna run back. All right. So that's pretty much it, guys. That's just a little quick video test for the Samsung Note 8 users out there. I've been neglecting this device, but today is the day that we could actually test it out with the other devices. So, and also one more thing, I already sold my iPhone 10, so I've got a little bit of extra cash on the side. I don't know what device I should get, maybe the LG G7 or the HTC U12. I'm not too sure. Those devices have been out already. It's been reviewed and exposed, so I might have to save the money for something else like the Google Pixel 3 or the new iPhone whenever they are coming out. So anyways, that's pretty much it, guys. Once again, thank you for watching. Until then, I'll see you guys on the next one. We're free, bound only by